Hello student, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Higher Secondary Chemo Cafe. In this lecture we will discuss some numericals on chemical thermodynamics. So this is our first example. 1 mole of an ideal gas is compressed from 500 cm cube against a constant external pressure of 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. The work done involved in the process is 36 Joule. So calculate the final volume. So here we have to calculate the final volume means V2. Okay, and the answer is given here in your exercise 200 cm cube. This is always given in your exercise, not in your board exam. Okay, before you have to solve the example, you have to write the given data. So 1 mole of an ideal gas is compressed, means the gas is 1 mole, so N is equal to 1 mole, from 500 cm cube against a constant external pressure of 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal, means the external pressure given here is 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. So Pascal means Newton per meter square. Okay, and the volume given, initial volume V1 is 500 cm cube. So this volume you have to convert into meter cube because the external pressure is in the meter square, Newton per meter square. So we have to convert this centimeter cube into meter cube by multiplying 10 raised to minus 6. So we know that the 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube. Okay, so multiply here by 10 raised to minus 6. So for our compression of gas, the example is the compression of a gas. Example मध्ये आपल्याला compression दिले, त्यामुळे work done W is always positive. So work is always done on the system by the surrounding, so W is positive. So W is equal to plus 36.0 Joule. Now our expression or equation is W is equal to minus Vx into V2 minus V1. So this the compression is carried out at constant external pressure and at constant temperature. So we have to use the expression W is equal to minus Vx into delta V. If our process of compression is isothermal and reversible, then we have to use the expression W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 of V2 upon V1. But here we have to use W is equal to minus Vx into delta V. Now you have to put the values of this W, Px and V1 in this expression. So you will get 36 is equal to minus 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 in bracket V2 minus 500 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now this 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 we have to divide here at the left hand side. So 36.0 into divided by 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 is equal to minus V2 plus 500 into 10 raised to minus 6. The next, now we have to solve this calculation by log anti-log method. Okay, so 36 divided by 1.2, you have to first of all solve this equation or calculation by log and anti-log. So we have to take the log of 36, which is 1.5563, and we have to subtract the log of 1.2 from the log of 36. So log of 1.2 is equal to 0.0792. So after subtraction we will get 1.4771, and by taking antilog of this value you will get the 30. So the antilog of 0.4771 is 3000, and here there is a character 61, means the decimal point is given after 2 digits. Okay, so the answer is 30. So you have to write 30 here. and this 10 raised to 5 we have to transfer into numerator. Transfer to numerator, so you will get 30 into 10 raised to minus 5, that is equal to minus v2 plus 500 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, now we have to calculate v2. आपल्याला फायनल व्हॉल्यूम कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे. सो v2 इज इक्वल टू 50 into 10 raised to 5. We have to transfer this 500 into 50, okay, by multiplying 10 raised to plus 1. So 10 raised to plus 1 minus 6, 10 raised to minus 5. So minus 30 into 10 raised to minus 5. So 30 into 10 raised to minus 5. So 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. Here these two terms are constant or common, okay, into 10 raised to minus 5. So v2 is equal to 20 into 10 raised to minus 5. So convert this 10 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, so if the decimal point is moved towards the right hand side by 1 digits, then you will get 10 raised to minus 1. So 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 5 is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube. So here the unit is meter cube. इथे unit कोणता आहे, meter cube आहे. So v2 is equal to 200 cm cube. So this is our final answer. Now the second example. Calculate the maximum work when 24 gram of oxygen are expanded isothermally and reversibly from the pressure of 1.6 bar to 1 bar at 298 Kelvin. Okay, answer is minus 873.4 joule. Okay, so in this example you have to calculate the maximum work and the given data is here. Okay, so this is our given data. So we have to calculate the maximum work. The mass of oxygen 24 gram is given here. So mass of oxygen is equal to 24 gram. Molar mass of oxygen, we know that the 32 gram per mole. Okay, and by knowing these two values, we can calculate the number of moles. Mass of oxygen divided by its molar mass. So 24 divided by 32 is equal to 0.75 mole. Okay, now in our example, the gas is expanded isothermally and reversibly from the pressure of 1.6 bar. Means P1 initial pressure is equal to 1.6 bar to 1 bar. Final pressure P2 is equal to 1 bar. At 298 Kelvin means the temperature is 298 Kelvin. So the temperature is 298 Kelvin and R is the gas constant. So this value is fixed, 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Now the process of expansion is isothermal and reversible. So we have to use the expression for the maximum work. W is equal to minus Px, W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 of P1 upon P2. By putting the values, we get minus 2.303 into 0.75 into 8.314 into 298 into log to the base 10 of 1 upon 6 divided by 1. So 1 upon 6 divided by 1 means 1 upon 6. So the log of 1 upon 6 is equal to 2041. Okay, so this calculation we have to carried out by log antilog method. Okay, so these are the logs of all this value. Log of 2.303 is equal to 0.3623 plus log of 0.75 is equal to bar 1.8751. So characteristics is bar 1 because here there is a 0 point. Okay, then plus log of 8.314 is equal to 0.3623 9198 plus log of 298 is equal to 2 point. So the characteristic is 2 because there are two digits 1 2 3 before decimal point. Okay, so we have to subtract 1 from this 1 2 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, so 2.4742. then log of 0.2041 is bar 1.3098. okay, 0 is there, so characteristic is bar 1. So by addition of this log we get 2.9412, and by taking antilog of this means the antilog of 0.9412 is equal to 8734, and the characteristic is 2, so the decimal point is given after 3 digits. So our answer is 873.4. so W max is equal to maximum work is equal to minus, already minus is here in our expression, so minus 873.4. okay, so in this way we have to solve this problem. Okay, so in our exercise there are many problems are there based on the maximum work. So we have to solve this problem by referring this problem. okay, हा प्रॉब्लेम सुरुवातीला तो रेफर करायचा आणि नंतर काय करायचे असे प्रॉब्लेम्स एक्सरसाइजमध्ये आहेत ते काय करायचे तुम्हाला सॉल्व करायचे. ठीक आहे, सो दिस इज अवर लास्ट प्रॉब्लेम. Work done in isothermal expansion of an ideal gas is 0.047 kilojoule. So work done is given here in isothermal expansion is 0.047 kilojoule, means W is equal to 0.047 kilojoule. okay, so when a gas is expanded against a constant external pressure of 2.35 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal, means the external pressure pre Ex is equal to 2.35 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal at 300 Kelvin. So temperature T is equal to 300 Kelvin. If the final volume is, means V2 is 2.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube, calculate the initial volume of gas. So you have to calculate V1, and V2 is given here 2.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube, and our answer is 2.0 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. okay, so given data is here. So this is our given data. W is equal to minus 0.047 kilojoule. So work of expansion, so in this example the gas is expanded against a constant external pressure of 2.35 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. So always in the expansion of gas work done is negative. okay, in the compression of gas, in our first example there is a compression of gas, so W is equal to plus. so ऑलरेडी आपण W काय घेतला होता, प्लस घेतला होता फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पलमध्ये, कारण तिथे एक कॉम्प्रेशन होतं गॅसचं, आणि कॉम्प्रेशनमध्ये वर्क डन हे काय असतं, पॉझिटिव्ह असतं. सो हिअर इन दिस एक्झाम्पल वर्क डन इज निगेटिव्ह बिकॉज द गॅस इज एक्सपांडेड अगेन्स्ट अ कॉन्स्टंट एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर. okay, so W is equal to minus 0.047 kilojoule. Now we have to convert this kilojoule into joule. okay, by multiplying 10 raised to 3. किलोजूलचं काय करायचं आहे, जूलमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे, म्हणजेच 1000ने त्याला काय करायचं आहे, मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. 1000 म्हणजे 10 raised to plus 3 इज इक्वल टू 0 इज इक्वल टू मायनस 47 जूल. ओके, हा डिजिट जर आपण सॉरी डेसिमल पॉईंट जर 1 2 and 3 डिजिट्स जर आपण राईटला घेतला तर इथे येणार 47 इंटू 10 raised to minus 3. सो 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to plus 3 is equal to 10 raised to 0, and 10 raised to 0 is equal to 1. okay, so W is equal to minus 47 joule. okay, so the external pressure is equal to 2.35 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal, अँड पास्कल मीन्स न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वेअर. आपल्याला माहिती आहे पास्कल म्हणजेच काय, न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वेअर. सो V2 इज इक्वल टू 2.2 इंटू 10⁻³ मीटर क्यूब. Calculate the V1 means initial volume of the gas. Now our expression or equation is W is equal to minus Px into delta V or V2 minus V1, because this expansion is carried out at constant external pressure and at constant temperature. So work done W is equal to minus Px into delta V. So by putting this value in this equation, we get minus 47.0 is equal to minus 2.35 into 10⁵. Okay, into 2.2 into 10⁵ minus V1. The next, this 2.35 into 10⁵ is divided here to the left hand side. So 47 divided by 2.35 into 10⁵ is equal to 2.2 into 10⁻³ minus V1. So we have to calculate V1. Okay, now this calculation 47 divided by 2.35 is carried out by log antilog. This calculation 47 divided by 2.35 into 2.35 10⁵ we kept as it is. आपण ते आहे तसेच ठेवणार आहोत. So here, so this is the calculation, log antilog. Okay, log antilog calculation. So log of 47 is equal to 1.67 to 1. So 47 characteristics is 1. There are two digits, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So characteristics is 1, and 47 log of 47 is 67 to 1. Okay, minus. So we will subtract this log of 2.35 from the log of 47, because here there is division, division of 47 and 2.35. Okay, so by subtracting this value, the log of 2.35 is equal to 0.3711. Okay, here there is only one decimal point before this point, digit. Here there is only one digits before the decimal point. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. The characteristic is 0, and the log of 23.5 is 37.11. Okay, so by subtracting this log, we get 1.3010, and the antilog of 0.3010 is 2000. Here the characteristics is 1, so we have to give the decimal point is given after 2 digits. So our answer of 47 divided by 2.35 is 20. So here there is 20 into, now this 10⁻⁻5 is taken into or transferred into numerator. So 10⁻⁵ is transferred into numerator, so it becomes 10⁻⁻5. आपण जे डिवाइड आहे 10⁻⁵ ते काय करायचे, मल्टिप्लाय करायचे, वरती घ्यायचे, मग काय होणार, +5 आहेत ते वरती गेल्यानंतर -5 होणार. ठीक आहे. So 20 into 10⁻⁻5 is equal to 2.2 into 10⁻⁻5 minus V1. So we have to calculate the V1. Therefore V1 is equal to 2.2 into 10⁻⁻5 is equal to 20 into 2.2 into 10⁻³ minus 20 into 10⁻⁵. Okay, now now suppose decimal point is moved towards the right by 2 digits, 1 and 2, then 0.2 into 10⁻² plus 2. So 10⁻² plus 2 into 10⁻⁻5 is equal to 10⁻⁻3. So 0.2 into 10⁻⁻3. So these two terms are common. Okay, so common term is taken here outside the bracket. So 2.2 minus 0.2 is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, so v1 is equal to 2.0 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. So this is our final answer. Sorry. So this is our final answer. v1 is equal to 2.0 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. So the initial volume is equal to 2.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. So in this way you have to solve the example. Okay, so such examples are also given in your exercise. So solve that example and keep watching my videos and keep learning. Thank you.